The Tranya T20. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Tranya T20 true wireless earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user manual, Type-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds feature 8 hours of listening time, 40 hours with the case. It takes 2 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.1, 6mm drivers, touch controls, game mode, and a bass boost, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case has a simple, compact design with a matte finish all around, and it's easy to grip. On the front, you have the status LED light, and on the bottom, you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it has a nice tight feel to it, and it opens and closes smoothly. Earbuds are easy to remove from the case, and you have the ear markings etched in inside. Taking a look at the earbuds, it has an ergonomic shape. The inside face has a matte finish with the ear indicators. The outer face has a glossy finish along with a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, microphones, touch control, and LED. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps or a long press to navigate playback, calls, game mode, and bass boost. The case comes in at 2.4 by 1 by 1.8 inches. It weighs in at 30 grams, and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. Speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. Eeny, meeny, money, mo. Head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Squeeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go. Eeny, meeny, money, mo. Head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so my let it go. Eeny, meeny, money, mo. Never know.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Tranya T20 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. I found them to have a tight, secure fit, and there's good passive noise isolation. You will feel some pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time. With that said, the fit is secure and it should have no issues if you decide to use them for workouts. Touch controls are a plus since they don't add additional pressure. Build and quality is decent. The case and earbuds have a simple look and feel, something you can expect at this price point. Touch controls were not overly sensitive and responded well. Battery life is excellent at 8 hours and 40 with the case. I would have liked to seen ANC or a transparency feature. I like the IPX7 rating, so this should protect you from the elements. Now when it comes to sound, I've always been impressed with the Tranya sound signature, and this is no exception. The bass does have its presence, it's deep and punchy, and it doesn't sound overblown. And if that's not enough for you, you can toggle the bass boost feature on. Mids and highs come in clean and clear and there's good separation. I like the overall wide sound stage. This does lean more towards a warm sound signature, but I feel it has a crisp, clean sound. Overall, the earbuds have a simple look and feel, and it just sounds good. It won't have all the features that a lot of the earbuds have, like ANC, app integration, or transparency. So if you're looking for those, then these won't be it. But if you want some good sounds that won't break the budget, this is something to definitely look into. So that is my review of the Tranya T20 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.